Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ang love-hate relationship ng mag-best friend ito. Si Crisette Laurita Chu at saka si outgoing Congressman Benny Abante. Alam naman natin nangyari sa TRICOM na umiyak si Crisette sa hearing, napilitan siyang nag-apology kay Congressman Abante. But despite yung incident na yon, sabi ni Crisette, friend pa rin silang dalawa ni Congressman Benny Abante. Ngayon, paalis ng kanyang best friend, kaya ito, mayroong open letter. Open letter ni Crisette kay Congressman Abante. Letter to all friends, Sir Benny. Hello, Benny Abante. As you prepare to step down from your congressional seat, just wanted to say, I will miss you. 2 times lang tayo nagkita, sir. But I'll never forget you kasi ikaw lang ang lalaki nagpaiyak sa akin. Parang binasted, pinaiyak. But most importantly, sa iyo lang ako nag-apologize for my bad words. Sa ibang tao, pag tinatanong ako, anong sabi mo? Talagang inuulit ko. Tapos, 10 decibels higher. Tapos, sigaw ako ulit. Ulitin ko pa. Di mo narinig? O ano? Ano, papalag ka? Matapang itong si Crisette, Pero sa iyo lang, talaga, Sir Benny, apologize agad with crying. I think, to be honest, it's the aura of holiness you have when you're confronting people. Grabe naman to. Holiness aura. Ano yun? Holiness nga nakadilat ang mga, nakaliwat ang mga dila? Ano pa itong holiness na sinasabi ni Crisette? Parang priest, you immediately start crying during a heartfelt service. Parang nasyak ako sa bad words ko when it was read with your holy mouth. Pastor ka po pala, I forget. So I guess it's really that sacred aura you have that made me cringe that I said the words like tanga. Pero don't worry, di naman ikaw kalaban ko sa Congress. Mabilis lang ako maiyak kasi may mens ako that day, sir. But I don't harbor any ill will against you, sir. Ang personal ko talaga dyan sa Congress si Jude Asedre ng Tingog Party List. Pumasok talaga sa TRICOM just for me, ako lang tinanong. I feel so special after sa akin, umalis kaagad. Also si Ace Barbers, pero as you know, may na-file na kaso. Di naman personal. Sorry. Sandali. Di naman personal daw ang laban ni Crisette kay Ace Barbers. Sana yun. Di naman personal, legal lang. And as far as I know, may another pending ombudsman case against him. Will not discuss further as sub judice. Pero sa iyo, sir, wala talaga. Please, keep me as a friend. Joey, you can keep as something else. Dinamay pa si Joey Di Bibre. Pasalamat na rin ako kay Jude Asedre na porsigido akong nadamay dito plus kay Ace Barbers dahil nagkakilala tayo, sir. Your magnanimity and apology made me believe that there are holy and good people in Congress. Grabe namang, ano ito? Ano pa ito, Crisette? Pang-aasar ba ito? Sana yun? I will never ever go after you, Sir Benny. And in fact, I know it was just a job to you. Medyo the world is a stage lang ang atake mo, but believe it or not, I understand. Naging soap opera star ako sa local TV dahil sa iyo. Sir, super shy pa naman ako. I wish you all the best in life. And one day, our paths will cross again. As I've always said, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. That's what friends are for, sir. Talaga magkaibigan. Sabi niya, PS, buti pa itong ABS-CBN tama magkapsyon. I apologize for my bad words, not for fake news. Huwag niyo akong inaano. Sir Benny does not appreciate fake news. Oh, yun yung picture nilang dalawa. Umiiyak si Crisette sa TRICOM meeting dahil nagalit ang kanyang best friend na si Benny Abante. Okay, ito may relevant comments. Darwin Posadas. I admire your humility despite the fact what this man has done to you. But there is no need to apologize or even to wish goodness to this egotistical creature who thinks he is spiritually blessed and above the law. If you wish him all the best, I wish him all the worst. Because evil people don't deserve any form of goodness. Grabe itong Posadas. I didn't apologize to him naman. Wala naman ako kasalanan sa kanya. I just wish him well. Che Dolera, ikaw na ang rena ng sarcasm. Keep it, Joe. Grabe. Aban, yung sarcasm na very convincing. Sana wala kang means ngayon as you were writing this. Baka umiyak ka while typing. Shen Marie, ay, namimiss niya na. Ha ha ha. Monet Pastrana, taray, may special post ka pa for him, Miss Crescent. Remedios Avila, I can sense the sincerity, Madam KLC. The world is healing na talaga. JJ Abo, when people say you are Miss Sarcastic, that's the side effect of being funny, intelligent, pretty. Sarcasm Award goes to Crescent La Oreta Chu, Miss Sarcasm Award. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig.